Solana SOL Billionaire moves $250,000 into rival coin at 2 cents with expectations for 24,450% surge to $4.20. Less than a week ago, a significant Solana SOL investor reinvested $250,000 in Mutuum Finance MUTM, a decentralized lending protocol presently in its third presale phase at 2 cents. MUTM has now garnered over 5,700 holders and raised $3.4 million in funds, with the move underlining increasing institutional interest. Phase 3 is being filled quickly after a subsequent price increase to $0.025 in the next stage, providing early investors with immediate gains. This has led for the token's unique economic model to be garnering attention for its unique economic model being viewed as a high-potential altcoin to speculative assets such as Solana. And with an exchange listing at 6 cents to $4.20 post-launch target. Pre-sale momentum builds. Mutuum Finance MUTM is seeing never-before-seen demand in its third pre-sale phase, which has been augmented by a 25% price increase that is set to occur in Phase 4. At the current 2 cents price, investors will make an instant profit when Phase 2 activates the $0.025 valuation. With the protocol's clear tokenomics and real-world utility in decentralized lending, over 5,700 holders have already taken their spots. In contrast to the broader bearishness of the market that the Solana network is enduring, the buy and distribute mechanism around MUTM generates constant demand, diverting platform revenue into the purchase of tokens. The repurchased tokens are then distributed to stackers, generating cyclical incentives for long-term holding. Calculating the potential. The winners' mathematical projections highlight the growth trajectory of Mutuum Finance MUTM. Phase 3 participants are being offered a launch price of 6 cents, a figure that would yield 200% returns. And while analysts reiterate the climbing price as a net positive, they warn the circuit becomes more difficult as projects yet to be listed demonstrate more volatility. The conservative estimates have MUTM at $4. Just a few months after launching on the exchanges at 24,450% price spike from its current presale price. That prediction comes thanks to the platform's growing usefulness. Users deposit assets like ETH or stablecoins and receive interest-bearing MT tokens in return, which accrue value over time and can be swapped across DeFi platforms. At the same time, the protocol's over-collateralized lending model reduces the risks of default, making it attractive to stability-minded investors concerned about assets such as Solana that do not have integrated financial mechanisms. Security guaranteed moving forward. Mutuum Finance MUTM is in the process of completing a CertiK audit of its smart contracts, which is expected to inspire confidence among investors once results are published on official pages. The audit is part of the team's commitment to transparency, which is a positive sign compared to multiple projects that have been prioritizing hype over security. As Solana struggles with on-chain congestion and speculation, MUTM's focus on real-world DeFi solutions like peer-to-peer lending, shifting interest rates, and liquidity mining makes it a long-term competitor. The Solana billionaire's turn to Mutuum Finance MUTM indicates a strategic reassessment toward projects that combine innovation and practicality. There's no doubt, Phase 3 is filling up fast, and the last chance to get tokens at 2 cents is closing, with a $4.20 price projection to reflect a mainstream adoption value. MUTM provides a rare synthesis in accessibility and potential growth one savvy investors are racing to take advantage of. Act before Phase 4. Timing remains critical. The bulls are out to play and early participants will secure lower prices as they position for cascading gains with the pre-sale stages. In a sea of passing trends, Mutuum Finance MUTM stands out by combining DeFi's world-altering potential with an echo chamber economic model that can ultimately strengthen itself. The roadmap of the project, audit completion, exchange listings, and feature rollouts paves the way for 2025, which will be a pivotal year for those looking for assets anchored in utility rather than speculation. MUTM's third phase represents an opportunity that is impossible to ignore. Because there is only a small quantity of tokens available for the third and final phase, the tokens of Mutuum Finance MUTM are selling out fast. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news and entertainment.